Check this out.
10 is HandlPay. They do one thing in particular that I think sets them aside from the crowd. That is, they allow you to transact using social media. You see, sending crypto still means copying a 42-character address and basically praying. Handl replaces all that with simply a username. You can pay anyone through their Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Google Handle. And the blockchain basically disappears into the background.
Now, let me stop it right there, because it's one thing I don't believe he's going to say that I'm going to say. We're not going to just stop at crypto with HandlPay. You can also send regular money too. And you can do it the way he's saying it, by a person's social media handle. This is why it is a unicorn, mainly because we're super early and you can become a whale like ASAP, because just listen, I'm going to show you some things.
This is sponsored, the chains are routed, and it's done in about 15 seconds. Canton Network is the only network where no one can see your balance or your transaction history.